and Chef here. We are in Las Vegas today. We're part of a travel convention for Signature. We are staying at the Cromwell for one night, and the one night is so that we could experience one of my favorite chefs, which is Giada. So we're actually going to go upstairs and visit her restaurant for brunch, and I'm sure everybody knows her. So here's one of my all-time favorite chefs for the Food Network, Giada. We have reservations this morning at 10 o'clock. We're going to go try brunch, which I heard is absolutely fabulous. So see you there. Whoop, whoop. Hey, good morning everyone. Here we are going up the escalator now to Giada's. So she is like my all-time favorite chef. And if you watch our channel, we have a lot of recipes from her cookbook that we emulate and take on the road with us in our RV. So I'm really super excited to get to actually be at her restaurant where some of her creations have been invented. And we have it 10 o'clock. Thank you. Amazing table right by the window, and you can see the mountains in the distance and the palm trees, and right behind us is the Bellagio. We're actually in the Cromwell right now at Giada's restaurant, and let's see what's on the menu. Appetizers for breakfast. That sounds yummy. Here's our Avocado Eggs Benedict. It's actually a Giada creation. So this is on her menu. Let's see what it tastes like. This is her champagne hollandaise.
Let me know.
We just left Giada's for a fabulous brunch. Came out to the streets. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. So as you can see with the skyline, at this particular point, which is right in front of Caesar's Palace, you can see the flamingo Cromwell's, that's where Giada's is at. And you can also see Paris in the background. And then right behind that is the Bellagio.